Welcome back to Inqua News. Authorities conducted a COTPA enforcement drive at Panchim Riverfront and casino ticket counters, where 3 counters were found without mandatory no smoking warning boards. Challans carrying ₹200 fine were issued, with officials warning that repeated violation could invite further legal action.
So today the Tiswadi Enforcement Squad for implementation of KOTPA rules are out today, and we are checking for the violations. So today we have concentrated today on the various counters of the casinos on the riverfront of Panjim. Now you see this act is of 2003, and today we are very shocked to see that none of so far we have done already three of the counters, and we have found that not a single board is there. Now mandatory under section 4, there has to be a board warning all the people who are using this place, public who are entering, and it becomes a public place because they use the counter eventually to go on the jetty to go to the casino boat. So the board is basically, as you can see in the background, it says that it's a no smoking area, and there is a fine accordingly. So today we have issued the challenge to them. We have given them copy of the leaflet also, and we have explained to them what is the procedure. Because see what is happening, people see some of the guests standing on the pavements of Panjim, smoking, and then they go and tell CCP that people are smoking. Then some people phone the helpline number. So we told them we don't want this to go on. You see, so since World Tourism Day is coming on 27 September, actually this is the responsibility of Tourism Department. But unfortunately, we have to go and do all this work. And in the last meeting which we had with District Collector, he has authorized us to finish this job as early as possible. So today we have taken up the task to visit and give them the notice, challan, everything. So that we told them in a week's time, you please see that all the areas, which are public areas, these boards will go up. See, this is a very important message to the tourists that Goa is not a free area for smoking. You see, this is a very important thing.
So, आता म्हाका एक सांगा charges कितले लेता, fines कितले
See,
लेता?
non-putting of the board, the fine is 200 rupees. It is not meant to collect some revenue. It is a kind of, आम्ही असे म्हणता एक शिटकावणी कशी. So they should take that as a thing, and some of them were delaying to pay. We told them, see, if you don't pay, then Mamledar has to issue the notice to the JMFC. It goes to the court after.
So इथे हे आता प्रॉब्लेम कित्याक जाला? सपोज जर बोर्ड लागिल्ले आशिल्ले तर टुरिस्ट सिगरेट ओडचे नाशिल्ले.
No, that is one. Secondly, anybody can immediately complain to the manager whose name is listed here. You can see on the board, name, designation, and phone number is given there. So what happens? It is meant to actually for the management to see that the areas which is in their jurisdiction should be tobacco free or other smoke free. And we want, see, Panjim being the capital city, if this is not done, it sends the wrong message to the whole of Goa. So tourists come and say, कुछ भी चलता है रे. Panjim में my cigarette footpath में I am consuming cigarette. Nobody questioned me. There is no board. Main question they will say there is no board. So this system, what happens? It is a clear message is there to the smoker that Baba, I cannot smoke here and put the life of other people in danger. This is the concept of the KOTPA law, to protect the consumers from becoming passive smokers.
Who recommend you to do?
Today it is led by Joint Mamledar Sanjeev Singh who is recently taken over. Then we have a representative from the Urban Health Center, our sanitary inspector is there, and staff of the collectors, Mamledar's office is there.